Hola chicas, I'm back with another video. As you can see by the title, it's going to be like a type of subscription beauty boxes from Target. I do have some probably like 5 boxes here with me. I have January's, March, and April's boxes. If you didn't know, Target does beauty boxes each month. They're not like a subscription box. You literally have to go each month, like at the beginning of the first day of the week or so, or the beginning of the week, to check if they have the boxes. Each month I believe they have 2 different boxes. They range from $7 to $10 depending on the box, but it's just pretty good deal. The first time I checked was around like the midweek of April, and they did have the 2 boxes of April, so I got those. And then like a few days later I checked again and they had the March boxes still, so I got ahead and got those too. And then the next day I believe I checked again and they had like one of the January box, so I grabbed that one too. So that's why I have 5 boxes. With all of this quarantine happening, I've been doing a lot of online shopping. So let's go ahead and start with the January box. They only had one of the January boxes. It comes in this like plastic cover. And these boxes are really like sturdy, so you can like totally keep these. But each month, like I said, they have a different type of theme to them. For the January box, like this one, it says clean up your beauty routine. And yeah, so basically you just go to target.com/beautybox if you want to check those out. And then in the back gives you like the product information, and then it gives you all the time a $3 off coupon. And it comes with this little paper and everything here. So the first thing here is the Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Body Lotion. It's a 24-hour hydrating lotion, silky smooth, and yeah, so it looks like this. It's a really nice, pretty cute deluxe travel size. So again, these range from like full-size products to like sample size products, so it's just depending. Next one here is this one here. This is a Lumene, I don't even know how to say this, Nordic Sea Cleansing Balm. It has coldberry seed oil, vitamin C, so it's basically a balm. So it looks like that. Then we got like foil packets, like these are the ones that I'm talking about. This is the same brand from the other one, Arctic Berry Oil Cocktail. Probably like a serum, normal to dry skin, has vitamin C, A, B3, B5, and E. So, and then we got a mini native deodorant. This is a charcoal one. It's free from parabens, aluminum, with over 5,000 5-star reviews. And let's see. Looks like that. We have this Uni Travel Shower Sheet Body Wipe. So this is an oversized, super soft, moist body wipe made with natural purifying neem, peppermint, and citrus. Smell delicious and instantly cleanses the body. So if you're on the go, it's like a shower sheet, basically says right there. And the next thing here, it's a Burt's Bees. This looks like full size, but let's see. It's a Burt's Bees florid free purely white scent peppermint toothpaste. So yeah, Burt's Bees. These are really nice. I like these type of products, and it has also a coupon in the back for $1 off. It's like a travel size one. Yeah, this is like a travel size toothpaste, but these are really nice to travel. So from Burt's Bees. Then the next thing here was this one right here. This is from the Love and Home Planet brand. It's a laundry detergent, lavender and argan oil. Ooh. You know you're an adult when you get excited for detergent. So the good thing about Target they come like this, so it doesn't spill. And the good thing, I'm probably gonna use this tonight or today, and it has also save $2 off. So it said it was from lavender and argan oil. Oh, that's cute. Okay. Not a fan of lavender that much, but it smells really nice. And then here, the next thing is this one right here. This is Mrs. Mayer's Oat Blossom Hand Soap. Special recipe of aloe vera, olive oil, and unique blends of essential oils to create a non-drying, softening cleanser for even the beautiest of hands. That's pretty cute. And then lastly but not least is this two pads here of premium rounds, cotton rounds, basically from the Up and Up brand, so from Target. Okay. Overall, this is a pretty good box here. Comes with a bunch of great products. Like, it's not just makeup, it's not just like skincare, it's a little bit of everything depending on the box of each month. But that's pretty nice. Like, holy crap, look at this for $7. Come on. So the next two boxes are gonna be the March boxes. Let's go ahead and start. It's gonna be a pretty long video, so hang tight. So this is a beauty box from March. This is the Dermatologist Trusted Skincare was the theme for that box. So right here, the first thing that you see here is, I don't know how to pronounce this correctly, La Roche-Posay Tolerating Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. I've seen this brand at Ulta, Target, and I haven't tried it personally. It says it's a gentle cream formula, helps skin restore comfort and essential moisture. Pretty cool. I'm an esthetician, so I love trying new skincare products. The next one is from CeraVe. I've heard a lot of good things about CeraVe. It's a foaming facial cleanser for normal to oily skin. So it looks like this. It's pretty much a sample size. The next thing is also from CeraVe. This is a eye repair cream. Reduces the look of dark circles and puffiness. It's pretty cool. Then the next thing is from the brand Vichy. It's the Aquil Thermal Rich. I believe it's a moisturizer. So let's see. That's pretty cute. It comes with this glass container, and it looks like it has pretty much some good amount of product there to try it out. And then we got from the brand La Roche-Posay. It's the Antilles Tinted Mineral Sunscreen SPF 15. It's tinted, so it says you shake well and you apply it on. Pretty cool. And then again we have the brand CeraVe. This is the AM Facial Moisturizing Lotion with an SPF of 30. And then the last two things are foil packets. This is, let's see here, the Vichy Mineral 89 for eyes. So it's like an eye cream, a gel hydrating with hyaluronic acid eye cream. So that's that. And lastly, the Vichy Mineral 89 face serum. The second box for March is the Out of the Office box. Is the spring break box. Again, $3 off. But yeah, pretty cool. And so like I said, these boxes are pretty cute. Like, they're really sturdy. And I believe this is one of the boxes here. I've seen better box. Look at this. This is pretty much like travel size to full size products. Like, come on, for $7, you cannot beat it. Let's see here. The first thing is the Thayers Witch Hazel Alcohol-Free Toner Facial Mist Rose Petal. Pore cleansing, rose water, organic aloe vera. But let's see. Okay, smells nice. I like the smell of rose. Next one here is the, let's see here. The shampoo pair from Nexus. You get the shampoo and the conditioner, and this is for normal to dry skin. This is the Humectress Ultimate Moisture with green caviar and elastin protein. Next thing is the Schmidt's Roast Black Pepper Natural Deodorant. This is for sure full size. Hemp seed oil for sensitive skin. Okay, smells nice actually. Smells like roses. The next thing here is Not Your Mother's Dry Shampoo, the Clean Freak Unscented Refreshing Dry Shampoo. So it doesn't have a scent. I have tried this one before and it was okay. Not the best dry shampoo that I have ever tried, but really nice. And then this is another dry shampoo by OGX. Refreshes and Restores Coconut Miracle Oil Dry Shampoo. Have not tried this one, but pretty excited to. And then lastly, here's the Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser for normal to oily skin. So pretty cool. This is one of the best boxes for March compared to the other box. But for $7 to get all of this, that's not bad. So now we're gonna go into the April boxes here. Let's go ahead and go with the first box. Isn't that box cute? Like the pattern. So this one is Clean Your Routine theme. Blue paper. And this is the stuff. So let's see here. The first thing here is a vitamin C serum. This is the Art Naturals vitamin C serum. Helps repair wrinkles, fine lines, and sunspots to brighten and tighten the skin. So pretty cool. Never heard about this brand, but it's a pretty good, cute size. Then we have the brand here, Hello. This is a BPA-free toothbrush. It has activated charcoal and a super comfy handle made out of planet-based materials. Oh, that's pretty cool. I always wanted to try a charcoal toothpaste, so I'll go ahead and try that out. And then it gives you the other brand, Hello, as well, the same brand. This is a hemp seed oil and coconut oil fluoride-free toothpaste. So pretty cool. It's pretty cool that they give you toothpaste and a brush. That's pretty cool. And then from the Love Beauty Planet, a coconut milk and white jasmine hand cream. Yep. So let's go ahead and texture seems nice. Ooh, it smells really nice. Has a little bit of the coconut smell, but it's mostly jasmine. And lastly but not least, it's the brand La Vanilla Pure Healthy Vanilla Deodorant. So I have like 3 deodorants in these boxes, but hey, now I'm stuck up from deodorants and I don't have to buy them. But another brand here. Okay, smells different. I like more of like floral, clean smells for deodorants. This is more sweeter smell, but there's that. So that is all in this box, the first box here. Pretty nice. Can't complain for $7. But so this is the last box of April, the second box of April, and the last box that I have. This one's Spring Into Clean. Another $3 coupon off. And ooh, this is filled. I'm pretty excited. Let's see here. The first thing is Pacifica Glowing Makeup Removing Wipes. It's like a travel size because it has 10 moist towelettes. This has glycolic acid, orange, and vanilla. Pretty excited. I'm a makeup wipe junkie, so I like to try different makeup wipes. Let's see this stuff. This other one here is the brand The Good Stuff Complex Repair Balm. It's a lightweight detangler, loosens knots, and uses lightweight microsilicones to strengthen and nourish the strands of the hair. Silicones. I don't know if you want silicone in your hair. It does have a silicone dimethomol. I don't know if I'm going to be using it. I like to stay away from silicones just because I like to have my natural curly hair or wavy hair that I have. And silicones weigh the hair down for curly hair people. But I'll give it a try. If I don't like it, then I'll go ahead and give it away. The next thing here is from the brand Acure. I have used products from them before and they're really nice. This is a resurfacing overnight glycolic treatment. So it's a type of mask. And then, oh, this is like a full-size cleanser. This is a Shea Moisture Cannabis and Witch Hazel Skin Rescue Cream Cleanser. For sure full size. It has fragrance-free toner made with hemp seed oil, witch hazel, and vitamin E to refresh, clarify the skin. Pretty excited to try that out. And then lastly but not least is this one from Spring and Vine Tea Tree and Mint Scalp Soothing Shampoo Bar. Full size again. Clarifying tea tree to leave locks fresh and clean. Okay, so it's more for curly or wavy hair. Never in my life have I tried a shampoo bar. I have heard of them, but never tried them before. I'm pretty excited here. Looks like that. It has like a print. You can totally smell the tea tree. It smells like literally like a bar soap. Pretty excited. So that's all that I have for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. It will be a pretty long video, but hope you enjoyed it. Please go ahead and check out the Target beauty boxes each month. Literally, I've been refreshing my page every single day for the May boxes for May, and still no luck, but they do still have all of these boxes that you see here. In this video, they still do have them. So you can totally check those out and buy them. Like I said, again, it's not a subscription box. It's a box that you look at them. They give you pictures of what's going to be in the boxes so you can see if you want it or not. But they're a pretty good deal. Again, ranging from $7 to $10 depending on the box. All of these boxes that you saw were only $7, and it's free shipping. You just pay the $7, and then it's free shipping. So it's pretty good deal. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribing is free and it will totally help. And I will guys see you in my next video.